The makerspace is really important because it creates a new mindset about learning.
So just like any of us, if you're in your home, you want a comfortable space to work, to relax, to be thinking, to be producing, to be creative, and this furniture does that for us.
The Explorer line is going to make such a huge impact because the students are able to engage in learning in any way, shape, or form. It's really the complete toolkit for the learning environment.
Student choice in a makerspace lab is the best part because kids can choose what they want to build and how they want to build it and where they want to build it.
The way you can move and reconfigure the space so that you can have it function for basically anything is just fabulous.
The cargo cart is really about providing all those awesome big materials to the students that want to build that bridge, that want to build that big rocket, and not have it be a burdensome project.
The backpack storage unit is really good because it's movable, and so it's not cluttering up the classroom.
I really do feel like I'm in the model of what we call 21st century teaching. We have the tools now with this furniture and the classroom setup.
This furniture was made for project-based learning. Like, it was made to get kids to be at their utmost creative level.
Teachers will say, oh, did somebody actually talk to a teacher? Obviously somebody